how to use Cash App Overdraft. If you want to use Cash App Overdraft, you must first meet the eligibility requirements, which typically include making direct deposits of at least $300 per month or spending at least $500 using a Cash App card each month. By doing this, you will get the Cash App Green status. Along with the Green status, you will get the free overdraft coverage. If you qualify and have this coverage enabled, your transactions will go through even if your balance is negative, up to a certain limit, that is up to $200, and the negative balance will be repaid with future deposits. If you don't have a free overdraft coverage, your card will be declined if you don't have enough funds for a purchase. And this way you should be able to use Cash App Overdraft. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.